The day is finally here. Hello and welcome to my first video ever on this channel. I am Arushi and I'm gonna try and not make anyone cringe. I'm still learning. Okay, so I thought why not start with something that I really love doing and something for which I haven't got time in the recent past. So here I am with a very easy nail art for all you lazy girls out there. Let's begin. So the first step is to file your nails, and for that start from the very deep ends of the edges of your nails, and as you go down towards the tip of your nails, try to make a curved shape and do it in one direction because filing in two different directions damages your nails. Next step is to moisturize your nails, and it is a very important step because it enhances the quality of your nails. I'm using this hand and nail cream from Marks and Spencer's, but you can use any moisturizer that you have lying around. It is not even important to have a nail paint on, because as long as you're applying a moisturizer and keeping them properly filed, they are going to look well kempt, and I can totally sport these. So the shades that I'm going to be using are Porcelain Party from Maybelline New York and shade number 108 from Nykaa. It's a very beautiful purple pastel color and it's one of my favorites. Next, you want to cut up a piece of sponge. I have already prepared my nails for the manicure by protecting the edges of my nails using a Fevicol or a kids friendly craft glue. And the thing that I'm applying on my nails right now is the nail paint, not the Fevicol. Thanks camera for focusing on the nail paint bottle cap. Steps from now are pretty self-explanatory, so I think I'm going to explain wherever required. We're ready to dab the sponge onto our nails, which we have already prepared with a base coat, and the reason we applied the white base coat was so that our colors are more opaque. Here's one secret tip of mine. When the gradient doesn't come out to be perfect, I tend to increase the opacity by directly applying the nail paint from the bottle. Right way to do a gradient is to start dabbing from one side of your nail and move on to the other. Next, seal in your gradient with the top coat. Oh, the shine looks so good. And do not forget to cap the edges of your nails to keep your manicure from chipping off. The best part about applying a top coat is not just that it gives you a beautiful shine and prevents your nails from chipping, but it also helps in blending the colors together. Look how smoothly blended the white and purple look. And I think now the purple shade is much more visible. And here comes the most satisfying part of this entire process and of this video. Peeling off the craft glue. Yes, this is not my skin. It's the craft glue that we applied. And then just clean up the edges of your nails and any nail pin that you have around your nails. And once done, you're ready. I decided to go one step ahead and do something more. So wait and watch to see what I did. So I had to go in again and perfect them all a little bit off camera, because it's really difficult to both create and film something so fine and detailed at the same time. I just want to say hats off to all the artists on social media. A bit of cleanup is required around the edges, but this is what my final abstract and gradient nail art looks like. And now is the time for some montage.